Right, this is our hotel at the Amanjaya Hotel in Phnom Penh. Let's take you through. What was the suite called? It was a junior suite, I think. Double junior suite. So we've got a bit of a living room, which is what we wanted to spread out a little bit because of the little one. Let's take you through the bathroom first, and it's a great sized bathroom. Look at Kinal just modelling it out. Thank you very much. You've got a dunny in here, a bathtub.
Toilet that doesn't have toilet paper.
Well, there's none left, but we don't need to tell them about that. Would you like to show us where the shower is?
This one, which
Ah,
I didn't know about.
that's right. So the other day, Kinal took Max in here and said it was such a dangerous bath because the bath depth is like here, and then you step right down. And she goes, "Why would they do this for?" Hey?
With your feet.
That's
wet.
right. And I said, "Why didn't you just have a shower?" Which is in here, which you walk straight past. Anyway, bathroom's good. Lots of wood. Wooden door too on the shower. Wouldn't you think that would rot after being exposed to moisture? Probably, but hey, hashtag because Khmer. Nice mirror to see how much weight you've put on and your receding hairline. We've got a cupboard with all the things a cupboard should have, such as space to store your things, a safe, and this here shoes tray, which is actually made in Japan. So just in case you thought, you know, the Japanese were skimping on quality for things. No, they're not. They're even making these shoe trays the same quality as they would Toyota engine parts that probably end up in a Gold Camry. Here's our living area here. We've got Max being held by our friend Jana, who's in Phnom Penh. You may have seen us from some of our older videos and our wedding video too. She's in that. Look out for her.
Her name wrong.
Huh?
Chana Ui.
Jana Oi. Yeah, nice sitting area, which is good. So obviously there's our food from the last couple of days, which you would have seen us, and if you haven't, go check out those videos. Seat, lamp, yes, artwork, fridge, and check out this elaborate fridge area. I don't know, what would you call this? Like a fridge credenza? I mean, it's pretty reasonable size for this tiny little bar fridge. And there's your standard things in your bar fridge. We've got a seat to sit. Shut those doors. We've got a table with some lovely glass implements. I don't know what's going on here, but they do look nice and they add to the character of the room, do you think?
Yeah, I think you put like candle or something.
Okay.
You can light it up.
Well, we'll bring our candles next time. There's Max on the tally because it's got YouTube. And Jana wanted a comparison between what he looked like when he came out to how she's holding him now. Yeah, right, mister? Yeah, good boy. We've got a bed. We've got these lights here, which are pretty cool. We've got, now, this is an excellent feature. Hear me out. You've got dual USB chargers on each side of the bed, which is excellent. I really rate that. It just means you don't have to dig around and get your things to charge. You can just plug your chargers in for your phones, sit here and do all of your social mediaing after your day visiting the things that Phnom Penh has to offer. What else have we got? A desk where you can sit and peruse things, which is good. Plenty of floor space, a mirror, a mess. Oh yeah, ceiling fan. I really like ceiling fans. Might have to get a ceiling fan when we go back to Australia. Oh, should have put the curtains open. Look at the light in the house there. We've got a great balcony and a great view. Have a look at this. Just open this and get smashed by the heat and the noise of Phnom Penh. What a great view. That is Riverside, obviously. We've got a great views of the traffic. Some bloke doing some stuff. Is that a mobile bloody fish carrying machine or something? How good's that? Jeremy Clare, there's a Prius just for you, but there's a shitbox 94 Camry. Oh, what a glorious car. But yeah, what a great spot to sit. I mean, we've only been here one night. If you don't count the first night where we just basically came here and crashed. I think we'll be back here. It's a really nice spot. The staff are excellent. Max is looking cool in his sunnies. Good job, buddy. Yeah, and I think, yeah, we'll be back here. It was only 80 Australian bucks. And with that, we got breakfast. And I'll show you some clips of the dining area. Freaking hell, it's hot. The dining area is super fancy, like really, really fancy. Meals are a bit on the small side, but free breakfast, what are you going to do? And walking up the stairs is interesting. Have a look at this. I'll put some clips in here of the stairs coming up to our floor. It's pretty funny. So let's check out this staircase.
It's pretty.
It is pretty, but
Oh yeah.
we sort of get to these and go, oh, now Kinal's not the tallest person in the world, but that's pretty short.
Big one.
I don't know what's going on here.
Why is this a little thing?
It's probably the beam, and then whoa, this one here.
And then do you find this?
We have to go through. I think I've got a duck. So those of you that know how actually short we are, that's pretty impressive, isn't it?
No wonder we have small baby.
That's right. Well, what? Because of the beams in the hotel. So there you go. One last thing. Oh, so much nicer in here. Oh, jump deck. Oh, you're gonna crush my finger. Watch your fingers. There you go. Look, man, now we lock it. Clang. Now, if you're watching this video thinking, this looks pretty familiar, it's because you've stayed here. So, the TV asks you to hook up to YouTube or Netflix, and there was a YouTube account already in here, and I'm going to cover up who you are, but if these subscriptions look familiar, you're actually subscribed to myself. So thank you for subscribing. You're also subscribed to Dave and for Riel too, so good taste there, excellent taste, but it was quite nice seeing that someone is in here as a fan of what we do. Although I've noticed you haven't watched anything recently, so come on your bike. Only kidding. Yeah, we'll stay here again. I think it was excellent value. I think the location's really good. We're just back from where our Hana is and about 200 metres from the Kandal market. Anything you'd like to add on about this room?
If the price is the same, because I think the price is post-COVID. Pre-COVID, it's about $100 US.
Really?
Yeah.
So we got a deal then?
Yeah.
Oh shit, so maybe we shouldn't get used to this sort of level of luxury.
No.
Fuck. We should have booked more then. Oh, we can't, we've got to go. Anyway, our next video will be out going to the market and then on our way to the wedding at Kandal. So more village stuff to come. Hope you enjoyed your time with us at this hotel in Phnom Penh. We'll see you in another one. Chicka chow.
Chicka chow.